Hello creators. Today I want to share my experience using AI tech with y'all. Right now, I'm deep into a huge project recreating the Chronicles of Las Vegas from the 1990s. In source materials, I have some old photo scans and an expert historian's commentary. Some images are literally just a bunch of pixels. First up, we gotta restore these photos. For that, I've been using these tools. It's no easy task. Sadly, a lot of AIs are still far from perfect. That's where Photoshop comes in. And if you've got some skills, you can get done. Next, we need to bring this ghost town back to life. Here's the AI I'm using for that. I start by running everything through without any control. This helps me see how each AI model interprets the images, showing their strengths and weaknesses. Then comes the detailed work on each frame. It's all about working with prompts, experimenting, plus some hacks and personal techniques. The goal is to get the AI to do exactly what we need. Check out this result. Since last year, I've been all in on AI, especially AI video production. I've noticed a lot of creators hit a ceiling stuck in the strawberry fashion niche. But honestly, the potential of these technologies is only limited by your imagination. A lot of historians might say, it's a shame we didn't have video cameras back then. Imagine if we had footage from those times. Well, guess what? Now we can make that happen. Just a year ago, we didn't have these capabilities. So keep creating and thinking outside the box. Cheers.